Hi and greetings. Do you guys recognize what kind of insect is this? Yes, it is a bee. Nowadays, we have seen a lot of issues regards to these tiny cute insects but very dangerous at the same time. So, are you guys just going to face this problem without any action and getting attacked by this bee? Don't worry, we are from Muzaffar Syah Science Secondary School are going to propose our ideal solution to this. My name is HARITH bin Oman.
I am Muhammad HAKIMI bin Muhammad Hid.
I am Muhammad UMAIR bin Muhammad Hafiz Rizwan.
I am Muhammad HAZEEQ bin Badr Isam, and we are from Muzaffar Syah Science Secondary School. Would like to introduce our product called MOZ-BEE Trap.
What actually came to our mind when we found this problem? Bees can be so dangerous to human beings as their attack can cause anaphylactic type reaction, which then followed by allergy or toxic reaction, and finally acute renal failure.
Recently, Sekolah Menengah Sains Muzaffar Syah has had to deal with the attack of bees from the surrounding areas. These bees may have come from the lush greenery that surrounds the school.
Besides, in July this year, the school wardens received reports of an average of 10 attacks per week from the students. This is a sudden 100% increase from the previous month.
In the recent Parent-Teacher Association meeting, a mother reported the attack on her son, which had caused the student to feel pain and feverish and was brought to the clinic for a treatment. Myocardial infection can actually develop secondary to bee stings, with patients having symptoms like chest pain, dyspnea, faintness, nausea, vomiting, syncope, palpitations, hypotension, and bradycardia.
This is very worrying. Hence, it is important for the school to take necessary actions to mitigate the situation.
The objective of this research is to reduce the risk of bee attack on the mosaic community and to develop a portable bee trap for the mosaic community.
In this research, we aim to answer several questions, which is: can the bee attack on the mosaic community be reduced? And what form of a bee trap is suitable for mosaic community?
So, what is the significance of the research? The research is significant as it will help the mosaic community to minimize the risk of getting attacked by the bees. They will have their own personal safety tool to protect themselves. MOZ-BEE Trap uses recycled items that are easily available around the school. This will add another interesting side to the process of developing a bee trap. The findings of this study will serve as a reference material and a guide for future inventors who wish to develop a different kind of bee trap or insect catcher.
Now, we come to the methodology part, which there are 5 phases in the development of MOZ-BEE Trap.
First phase, the team members brainstormed problems faced by the school in recent time and narrowed down to bee attack issues. Then, another brainstorming session was conducted on devices that can be used to trap bees. Next phase, the team members filtered out products deemed not suitable for a bee trap. For the third phase, the team members narrowed down the 3 products that may be used as a reference.
In phase 4, the members started to develop the device. We use batteries for the main source of power, UV fluorescence light, and then we use coconut oil as the attractant for the bees, and lastly, we use recycled plastic container as the body for the bee trap.
The last phase, the team members assembled the trap and tested it.
MOZ-BEE Trap uses alkaline batteries as it is easily available to students. However, we can also use rechargeable ultraviolet light to reduce the cost of buying more batteries when they run out of power.
MOZ-BEE Trap uses 2 elements as bee attractants, namely ultraviolet light and the fragrance of coconut oil. This is because research shows that bees are trichromatic, which means they only see ultraviolet, blue, and green. Research also shows that bees are attracted by coconut fragrance and lavender fragrance. We chose to use coconut oil as it is far more affordable and easier to find locally. The plastic body of MOZ-BEE Trap has holes to mimic the hollow bee colonies. Sidney and Goncalves found no significant difference among trap volumes when the researchers used the 1.5 liter and 3 liter plastic bottles. Hence, MOZ-BEE Trap plastic bodies can come in different sizes according to an individual's preferences. For future innovation, users can attach a movement sensor which can detect moving objects 1 meter away from the device. Once the movement is detected, the UV light source will be switched on. This will save energy of the device when there is no movement, especially from the bees around it. At the same time, a pump will release fragrance that attracts bees like lemongrass, lemon, lavender and coconut. The pattern of the holes made on MOZ-BEE Trap also can be improved so that they look very similar to the holes on a beehive.
In conclusion, MOZ-BEE Trap is an affordable device that can be used by the mosaic community to protect themselves from being attacked by the bees. It is easy to assemble, requiring minimum skills, light, portable, and has a relatively low cost. This device could definitely be placed around the school to help attract the bees and trap them.